Hello friends, I hope you're doing great. We're here with a tutorial on how to fund your account in the Tradonex Broker using Bitcoin, BTC. As you saw in the previous tutorials, we opened an account in this broker and successfully verified our identity. Now, to deposit. Using Bitcoin, we click on the Advanced option, and in the Open page, we choose from the available crypto payment methods. From the available fields, we select the amount of Bitcoin we want to deposit in this section. As you can see, the destination address for the Bitcoin deposit is displayed to us. You go into your personal wallet on your mobile phone, select the amount of Bitcoin you want, and click on the Send option. In the first section, you enter the address, and in the second section, you enter the exact amount. Make sure to enter the amount accurately, or you can easily scan the displayed QR code by clicking this option and deposit your amount. In the next page, we will see the sender's address, the destination address, the fee amount, and the total amount. Or you can easily scan the displayed QR code by clicking this option and deposit your amount. On the next page, the sender's address, the destination address, fee amount, and the total amount will be displayed to us. By clicking the Confirm option and entering the password, the payment process will be completed. As you can see, our payment status is in pending. And by clicking on the More Details option, we can see more details about our transaction on the website monpool.space. As you can see, our deposit operation was successfully completed, and by clicking on the Avatar option, we can view the complete details of our deposit transaction. This amount, along with a 20% bonus, has been added to our balance. Stay tuned for the next tutorials. This amount, along with a 20% bonus, has been added to our balance. Stay tuned for the next tutorials. Goodbye.